Today I'm going to show you how you can create a new user account or a guest account in Windows 11. It's super simple, so just follow along. Alright, first of all, go to your settings. Now click on accounts. And then on the left side, you'll see other users. Click on that. Here you'll see an option that says add account. So when you click that, Windows will ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. But if you don't want to sign in, no worries. Just click on I don't have this person's sign in information. After that, choose add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can type any username and password you want for your new account. Once you're done, click next and boom, your new user account is created. Now when you log out or restart, you'll see that new account right on your Windows login screen. You can easily switch between your main account and this new one anytime. And that's it guys, quick and easy, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment if you got any questions. And of course, subscribe for more simple Windows tips like this one.